Oh my goodness, guys, it's making it rain. Yes, there we go. We got the free games. You know, it's about time. It was so hard to hit a bonus here tonight, guys. Okay, so we're 11:52 to start. And we've got 10 free games. All right, here we go, guys. Oh, nice. Oh, I forgot how cute those piggies are. Okay, we need some more arrows. Free spins. Oh, wilds, nice. Not that they really helped me very much. Okay, arrows every spin. Nice. Oh, that didn't really help me. Come on, let's make him count. All right, we've got another expanded reel. Come on, arrows. Come on, more arrows. Okay, that's good. All right, so $31, guys, not bad. Thanks for watching.